Okay, this is where we were in our last video, and we wanted to figure out x and y. So let's see how this is going to go. All right. Now I had asked you to figure it out as homework. Have you done that? What did you get? Let's see something here. This is the diameter, and this is the tangent to the circle, where the diameter and the tangent to the circle intersect at the point of tangency. So therefore this angle is 90 degrees. All right. So what we know so far is that MLP equals 90 degrees. Now, since this is 90, you take off 65 from the 63 from the 90. 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63, you can't borrow one from this, you get 8, you get 7, 8, 6, 27 degrees. So this angle here is 27 degrees. Good. Alright, I don't want the diagram to be crowded too much, so I'm going to just take off this 90 here. Okay. Now you have 27 degrees there. Now the other thing is this. You have a 27 and you want x. Alright, so 27. Now, here you have what was it again? I said you had the x up here. Okay, yeah, I remember. This is the diameter. Do you remember what the angle is? What that is subtended by the diameter at the circumference? It is always 90 degrees. It's 90. All right? Always 90 degrees. Now, here, you want x. So, 180 is the total. The 27 plus 90 plus x is the total. So, you take away 90 and also take away 27 from it. 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 minus 27, borrow 1 from 9, I get 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3. This is what? 6? So, you have 63 degrees there. Alright? So, x is 63 degrees. So, this is 63 degrees. So, you know x now. Alright, good. Now, you know x. Remember, in part A, you found that N, Q, L, and X are the same. So this must also be 63. Let me just write 63 and label it. Alright. That is 63 degrees. Now, having found that, let's look at this. If you look carefully at the triangle NQL, you remember that NL and NQ were the same length. So therefore this angle here and this angle here must be the same size. So therefore it means that this angle must also be 63 degrees. Alright? Both of them are 63. Now, the thing is, you want to find out what y is. Remember, the 90 was covering the y, that was y. You want to find out what y is. So, you remember that 63 plus 63 plus y would give you 180. So, let me write it this way: 63 plus y equals 180. Take 63 from both sides. So, if you subtract 63, this 63 would go on 180 minus 63. And you take 63 again, this 63 would go, you minus it, you minus 63 on the left, minus 63 on the right. So y is equal to 180 minus 63 minus 63 equals, let me just do it on my calculator off the air. 180 minus 63 equal 54 degrees. Alright, I accidentally shifted this thing, you know. I shift it that way. Alright, good. So it's 54 degrees. So y is 54 degrees. So you see that? Let's see what else is going on. Reason. Okay. Let's, part B. You have part B of question 9. Alright, guess what? This is bearing. It's not a continuation of part A, so let's look at this part of the question in our next video. In the meantime, I'm going to ask you to write down the question and work it out before you watch my own solution. So I'll see you then.